Welcome to YouthfulMD GPO, the nation's most comprehensive, turnkey hormone replacement therapy solution for medical providers. Whether you're a wellness clinic, MedSpa, or private practice, YouthfulMD gives you everything you need to launch and scale an in-office HRT program with confidence and compliance. Our platform provides immediate access to wholesale HRT medications, diagnostic lab technology, and clinical training, all under one simplified agreement. Join a growing national network and unlock bulk pricing through our 503A and 503B pharmacy partnerships. With our exclusive Friend Analyzer, you can deliver same-day lab results for testosterone, PSA, TSH, vitamin D, and more, all in under 9 minutes. Combined with the TAP blood collection device, no phlebotomist is required, saving you staffing costs and delays. YouthfulMD and its consulting partners handle your CLIA certification, monthly compliance, and lab director oversight, ensuring you're fully supported and inspection ready. YouthfulMD provides hands-on or virtual pellet therapy training, complete with patient forms, protocols, supply list, and marketing materials. Train one provider or your entire team. Enjoy exclusive GPO pricing on injectables, creams, and pellets, all ordered through our integrated e-commerce store. We fulfill orders via licensed 503A and 503B pharmacies with direct-to-clinic or patient-specific shipping. Our pellet kits and diagnostic bundles are structured to offer unmatched ROI with tiered pricing for volume buyers. Choose from starter to enterprise packages and keep 100% of your patient revenue while we handle the back-end logistics. Providers nationwide trust YouthfulMD GPO to power their hormone therapy program. Now it's your turn to take control of your patient outcomes, in-house testing, and profits. When you join the YouthfulMD GPO, you gain access to an exclusive white-labeled HRT program that offers unparalleled support, training, and pricing. Members receive best-in-class discounts on HRT medications and supplies, access to certified consulting and training programs, fully integrated in-office diagnostic tools, CLIA lab compliance, 503A and 503B pharmacy partnerships, e-commerce fulfillment, and step-by-step implementation support. It's not just a group buying network, it's your complete partner for long-term practice growth. Ready to launch your in-office HRT center with the nation's most innovative GPO model? Click below to book your personalized onboarding call with our executive team.